In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set the weekdays in Zoho People. Setting your week off days is an important part of getting attendance and shift scheduling right. When your non-working days are configured correctly, Zoho People can calculate attendance more accurately and avoid marking expected days off as absences. In this walkthrough, you will update the week off settings inside your active shift schedule. Start by signing in to Zoho People and looking at the left sidebar navigation. From there, click Attendance. This opens the area where Zoho People manages time and attendance settings, including shifts and schedules that affect how workdays are defined. Next, still in the left sidebar, select Shift Schedule. This section lists the shift configurations available in your account. Shifts are where you define the working pattern for employees, including which days are standard work days and which days are considered weekly offs. Now find your active shift in the list. The active shift is the one currently being used for scheduling and attendance tracking. Next to that shift, click the Edit option, shown as a pencil icon. This will open the shift settings so you can make changes. Once you are in the Edit screen, scroll down until you reach the Week Off section. Take your time as you scroll, because this area is where Zoho People lets you specify the days that are not part of the working week for this shift. In the Week Off section, check the boxes for your non-working days. For many teams, this is Saturday and Sunday, but you should select the days that match your organization's schedule. Make sure you only select the days that are truly weekly offs for this shift, because these selections will influence attendance calculations tied to this schedule. After you have confirmed the correct boxes are selected, you are finished with the week off configuration for that active shift. Your shift schedule will now reflect the correct weekly off days, helping attendance records stay clean and consistent. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.